Good morning, Gerald, and I getting back with you here on the photo restoration. Hope you had a good time yesterday with meeting with your friend. And I thought I'd quickly just go over the restoration and kind of give you an idea of what we're going to be looking at. The restoration that I'm going to be zooming in on is going to be just kind of in the middle. So basically the first thing I'd like to do is kind of, let's look at your grandparents, I think you'd mentioned here, and get a real nice close-up here. I always like to do this. Sometimes we just don't see everything. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through the picture slowly so you can get an idea of what your relatives look like. And I hope you enjoy it. And here we go. It looks like this little fella wasn't too happy about having his picture taken. And let's try a little zoom here. And it looks like he's got on a pair of glasses, rimless glasses. You can see just a little bit of the bar going across the nose and a little bit up in the top here. And it looks like the same mate. No, not quite. And of course the uncle that was X'd out. Let's swing back over to the other edge here. Very definite, defined look there. And I don't know the significance of the bush that the lady's holding in her hand, but it must have been something. Young lady. Young gentleman. This is the gentleman with the X, and you can see a lot of the restoration that's going to be needed to be done. And it looks like a fairly newborn baby. Let's see if we can zoom in a little more here. Dead asleep. A young lady and a child, and then a gentleman in the background. Okay, this will kind of hopefully give you an idea about some of the restoration work that will need to be done, but also I think it's kind of neat to see people a little bit closer up. And of course you can go in and actually increase the size of the video itself by, in the bottom right hand corner of the screen there, I think there's a knob or a button that you can press on and it'll give you a full screen. That should give you again, I'm going to go back to an idea of what we're going to be looking at, and I hope that everybody in the picture will be will look good. And look forward to seeing you again, and hope you have a good day, and I'll get back to you as soon as we finish this thing up. Take care now.